Here problem. Calculate the potential of hydrogen electrode in contact with a solution whose pH is 10. What? We have to calculate the potential of the hydrogen electrode. That hydrogen electrode is in contact with a solution whose pH is 10. See, this is a hydrogen electrode. We have seen SHE, that is standard hydrogen electrode. It is standard hydrogen electrode when this concentration of the solution is 1 molar, but in this case it is not 1 molar, it's other than 1 molar. He given that concentration of H plus ions in terms of pH. He given pH as 10. Now see which reaction is responsible for this electrode potential. You have seen that in SHE. See, this is the reaction. H plus ion will combine with one electron to give half H2 molecule. This reaction is responsible for the electrode potential of this hydrogen electrode. Let's see now how to calculate this hydrogen electrode potential. You know that at any concentration we can calculate electrode potential by the Nernst equation. This is the Nernst equation for a general reaction. You have seen it. In this reaction, see, substitute for this hydrogens terms. So reduction potential of the hydrogen, that equal to standard reduction potential of the hydrogen minus 0.059 by n into log of 1 by concentration of H plus ions. One more thing, he didn't given the temperature, assuming that temperature as 298 Kelvin and substituting the value of R and Faraday constant, you will get, and converting logarithm of base e to the base 10, you will get 0.059 by n into log. You know this, I have already explained this one, into, so 1 by concentration of H plus ion. Now in this, you know that standard electrode potential of hydrogen is 0, so this term is 0 now. So reduction potential of hydrogen equal to, this is 0 minus 0.059 divided by C. N is number of electrons transferring. See here, H plus ion is taking 1 electron, so N is 1, and keep everything as it is. Now look at this term, log of 1 by concentration of H plus ion. See, you know that pH equal to minus log of concentration of H plus ions. You can write this minus log of concentration of H plus ions as log of 1 by concentration of H plus ion. See, if you take this minus this side, it will become this term to the power minus 1. Then power minus 1, it means that is 1 by concentration of H plus ion. So this term, see, you can replace this term by pH term. So replace that one. So reduction potential of hydrogen equal to minus 0.059 into log of pH. What is given value of pH? He given pH value as 10. Substitute that one, 10. See here, log of 10 to the base 10. See, this is the logarithm of base 10. Log of 10 to the base 10 is 1. So you will get reduction potential or potential of this hydrogen electrode as minus 0.059. That's the problem. Thank you. Subscribe to my channel to get more videos. Like the video, share the video, and spread worldwide to help others.